If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Shopify before it completes, follow these steps to ensure the process is smooth and efficient. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin by entering your credentials at the Shopify login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage orders and transactions. Step 2. Navigate to Orders. Once logged in, click on the Orders tab located in the left-hand menu. This will take you to a list of all your recent orders and transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transaction. Scroll through the list or use the search function to locate the specific pending transaction you wish to cancel. Click on the order to view its details. Step 4. Cancel the order. In the Order Details page, look for the option to cancel order. Click on this option and follow any prompts that appear to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to check if there are any additional steps required for refunds. Step 5. Notify the customer. If applicable, send a notification to the customer informing them of the cancellation. This can be done through the Shopify platform or via email, ensuring they are aware of the status of their order. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transaction on Shopify. Always remember to keep your customers informed to maintain good communication and trust.